Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then, of course, bounce around the market and look for something to trade. It was a bit of a wild ending to last week, as you can see right here. We were kind of shooting up for about a week before, and then we had a huge drop off for a couple days, and we kind of settled in here on Friday. Who knows what the future brings? We're still near all-time highs, but volatility is starting to tick up, so the market seems to be getting a little nervous. This is always as we start with the S&P 500, the SPY. If we go to the Nasdaq, pretty similar story. Again, was shooting up for a while, and then the last few days took a bit of a dump, and then the volatility is also starting to increase here. And then finally, the Russell, similar story. That one's been going down a little bit longer, and of course, volatility is spiking here as well. So, what are we going to trade this week? Well, because it's earnings season, as we did last week, we're going to do another earnings trade. And I'm going to go over to AMD. This is the chart right here. You can see this is earnings right here. And you can see if I roll over it, it says on 2/3 after the market closes. So on Tuesday afternoon after the market closes is when the earnings take place, which means we're going to put this trade on just before the market closes on Tuesday and take it off Wednesday morning just after it opens. That's kind of how we do it. So if I go to the trade page, the way we do earnings trades is we always do the shortest cycle possible, which is going to be this one. So this will be 3 days when we get to it. As of right now, this market maker move tells us how much they expect it to move up or down on that day. And obviously we're a couple days away, so this will change, but as of right now, it's roughly $17 up or down. So what that means to me is if I open this up, I always like to give myself a cushion. So let's just round this off and say, round up. Let's just say this is 20. So if we're at 236 right now, I'm looking to go down at least $20 on the put side, which would be about 216, somewhere in this neighborhood, and about $20 up on the call side, which should be somewhere in the 255-ish, 257 range, right? $20 up and down. I'm giving myself a little bit more, if I can, of a cushion. So I've already set this up for us, and you can see I managed to pull it off. So 236, I'm going, I'm going over $20 up on the call side and over $20 down on the put side. So I'm selling the put and the call more than $20 away on either side. These are $2.50 wide strikes, so I'm making it a $2.50 wide iron condor. When it comes to earnings, we're a little bit more lenient. We want this to be 82 cents normally, a third of the width of the strikes. This right now is 92, but come the day of earnings, it comes down to what you're comfortable with, but if I can do like 70, 75 cents on this, again, it's an all or nothing trade, right? It's either going to be a winner or a loser come the next morning. So we're willing to accept a little bit less generally than the norm because it's just a one-day trade. We're not looking to kind of get our 50% of max profit like we usually do. So, assuming everything stays here, come Tuesday afternoon, about the last 30 minutes of the market if I can, I'm going to put this trade on, do a $2.50 wide iron condor, make sure I'm outside the market maker move, at it or above it, and then look to collect at least 70, 75 cents if all goes well. Stick around. I've got a discount. If you want to learn how to trade earnings correctly, you can use this coupon I've attached. And basically, if you just go to, this is a private course, so you have to actually use these links to get near it. But if you get right here, this link, and I'm going to put them in the attachment or down below, you use sharpertrades.com as the password. And if you use earnings here, you'll get a discount on this class for another week, I think. And earnings season is right now, so it's the perfect time to do it because this whole course is only about 90 minutes. So if you want to learn how to trade the earnings season for yourself, you could start by tomorrow. These coupons I said are good for another few days. I can't remember when they exactly expire, but sometime in the next few days or a week they'll expire. So jump on this. It's heavily discounted. It's the biggest discount I can give that Udemy allows on these private courses. So instead of the normal 20 bucks, you can get it for $12.99. You can see here it's 35% off. So jump on this. And otherwise, the AMD trade will take place again Tuesday afternoon. Take care, everybody. Happy trading.